Hello everyone, today I am going to draw and color a yacht. Let's start. A yacht is a water transport. A yacht sails on the water. I'm going to make this yacht colorful. Let's draw the mountains. The yacht has cute eyes. The yacht is smiling. Let's start coloring it now. I'm going to color it red. Purple, yellow, pink, red. I'm going to color the clouds blue. Let's color the water blue. Wow, look at this colorful yacht. Do you also want to sit in the yacht and sail on the water? Bye bye, see you next time.